Sun, as we know, has one of the most important roles in the survival of any living being on Earth. So let's take a look at 10 interesting facts about the sun in today's video of DiscoverZen. Number 10. The sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in the solar system. Our star has the mass of around 330,000 times that of Earth. It is around 3/4 hydrogen, and most of its remaining mass is helium. Number 9. Over 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. If you were to fill a hollow sun with spherical Earths, somewhere around 960,000 Earths would fit inside. However, if you squashed those Earths to ensure there was no wasted space, then you could fit approximately 1,300,000 Earths inside the sun. The surface area of the sun is 11,999 times that of Earth. Number 8. The sun will eventually be about the size of Earth. Once the sun has completed its red giant phase, it will collapse. Its huge mass will be retained, but it will have a volume similar to that of Earth. When that happens, it will be known as a white dwarf. Number 7. The sun has a powerful magnetic field. When magnetic energy is released by the sun during magnetic storms, solar flares occur, which we see on Earth as sunspots. Sunspots are dark areas on the sun's surface caused by magnetic variations. The reason they appear dark is due to their temperature being much lower than surrounding areas. Number 6. Temperatures inside the sun can reach 15 million degrees Celsius. Energy is generated through nuclear fusion in the sun's core. This is when hydrogen converts to helium. And because objects generally expand, the sun would explode like an enormous bomb if it wasn't for its tremendous gravitational pull. Number 5. The sun generates solar winds. These ejections of plasma, which are extremely hot charged particles that originate in the layer of the sun known as the corona, and they can travel through the solar system at up to 450 kilometers per second. Number 4. The atmosphere of the sun is composed of 3 layers: the photosphere, the chromosphere, and the corona. The photosphere is the star's outer shell from which light is radiated. It extends into the star's surface until the plasma becomes opaque. The chromosphere is roughly 3,000 to 5,000 kilometers deep. Its rosy red color is only apparent during eclipses. The sun's corona extends millions of kilometers into outer space and is most easily seen during a total solar eclipse, but it is also observable with a coronagraph. Number 3. The sun is almost a perfect sphere. Considering the sheer size of the sun, there is only a 10-kilometer difference in its polar and equatorial diameters. This makes it the closest thing to a perfect sphere observed in nature. Number 2. The sun is traveling at 220 kilometers per second. It is around 24 to 26,000 light years from the galactic center, and it takes the sun approximately 225 to 250 million years to complete a single orbit of the center of the Milky Way. And finally, number 1. The sun is halfway through its life. At 4.5 billion years old, the sun has burned off half of its hydrogen stores and has enough left to continue burning hydrogen for another 5 billion years. Currently, the sun is a yellow dwarf star. So this was all about some of the most interesting facts of the sun. Now, let's talk about Europa, Jupiter's icy moon. Well, actually, that sounds like a different topic to discuss on a different episode of DiscoverZen.